Teams building AI applications at scale use evaluations in Adaline to ensure reliability and to deliver consistent value to their customers. As you can see, I'm currently in the Evaluate pillar within my prompt, which is part of a project called Get References. I can see my prompt on the left with the model selected and the variables in my prompt. I can add multitude of evaluators by clicking Add Evaluator. Adaline supports everything from LLM as a judge that can take a rubric in plain English, like output must contain references, and makes sure that the output of your LLM always contains references, to something as complex as running JavaScript code that can also be run continuously on your logs within Adaline. So I have a few evals set up here that run on a data set. These data sets have the inputs that go into my prompt, like a context from the RAG pipeline or a question that the user might ask. We also support multi-turn evaluations. And then I can write different evaluations and just hit evaluate. When I hit evaluate, Adaline is going to go process hundreds of thousands and millions for some customers, calls to these LLMs and start evaluating them in real time. And I can see which ones are passing and which ones are failing. And I can also go back and see the results from my previous evaluations to see if the model is becoming better, if the errors are increasing, if the pass rate is increasing. And at any given point in time, as you can see, we just processed over 60 different evaluations. I can quickly go and filter on different parameters, but in this case, I would love to find the ones that failed, open them, and see why they failed. Our AI agent in this case will always give you a reason as to why those evals failed. So evaluations is the fastest way of preventing regressions in your prompts and making sure that one change that fixes one test case doesn't break hundreds of others that you might have curated through production data or by manually collecting that data. Evaluations in Adaline is how teams iterate quickly when they're building AI applications at scale.